Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. I am Alvin Brown with Ignition Martial Arts, and today we will be going over the advanced color belt traditional form, Choong Moo. There are 30 movements in this form. Now, Choong Moo was the name given to the great Admiral Yi Sun Sin of the Yi dynasty. Now, this form is very dynamic, very explosive, has a lot of kicks, lots of traditional movements, yet some are very creative. They're kind of borderline creative, so it's a very popular form to be competing with. We would suggest that you go over some of the more difficult movements in the form, break those down. We're going to make sure that you have those while you're going over the overall structure of the form, such as your flying side kick, your turning side kicks, and of course the jump 360. So that being said, let's go ahead and go through the breakdown of the entire form. You're going to start with your traditional bow, going into your traditional ready stance. From there, your first movement with a nice loud key up will be your back stance, knife hand square block. From there, you're going to step forward into a front stance, cover, knife hand strike. From there, 180 degrees to the other side, you're going to do a double knife hand block, stepping forward into a spear hand. From here, turning towards the front, back stance, double knife hand block, instantly switching to the back into a closed fist guarding block, slide step side kick, land down, back stance, double knife hand block, followed by your flying two-step flying side kick with a nice loud kick at the end. From here, you're going to step 270 degrees to your left to a back stance low block, shifting into a front stance head grab, going into your knee smash, stepping and turning into a front stance slap down ridge hand. From here, turning roundhouse kick into a spinning side kick, landing the opposite way into a back stance double knife hand block. From here, closed fist guarding block, turning roundhouse kick, land to the back stance, stick block, jump 360 into a back stance, double knife hand block. From here, step forward, palm strike, shifting over into a back fist low block. From there, full step forward into a slap down spear hand. From there, you're going to turn your back leg, just spin your back leg, going into a front stance, two hand block, stepping into a